Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take a selfie using a NOKIA G11. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our camera. From here, change to the front camera. And now, in order to take a selfie, you'll need to capture your entire face, so simply look on the camera with your face. Right now the camera obscures a bit of it, but click the shutter and that way you'll take a picture. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and comment below.